Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Shivam Singh, and today here I am representing my new project which I was in designing a 6 DOF robotic arm using Arduino Mega to 205060. This project was completely designed using Arduino Mega and a Bluetooth SC05 module. Here you can see that a complete project was there on my GitHub repo where I will provide each and everything. I will explain to you the entire project. This is the project was a professional 6 degree of freedom. You can move any 6 degree of freedom robotic arm built using the Arduino Mega 650 using the high torque servos. This is the complete. You can see that J6 tool rotations. Wrist J5 was the wrist rotation. J4 was the pitch. J3 was the elbow, and J2 was the shoulder, and J1 was the base. And they are completely controlled by Arduino Uno. You can see here, sorry, Arduino Mega. You can see that this is the overlook of my project's image. You can see this is the base which was tilted like that, and this is the shoulder, and this is the elbow jab, and after that this is the wrist control, and this is the gripper end. You can see here this is the complete design of my project. Here directly you can connect. This is a control interface of my project. You can here come here and connect with that, and I will show you that entire file structure and entire firmware of this project. You can see that here I am using the SC05. This is the source code of that particular thing, and this is the configuration file folder where the all kind of pins and all kind of configurations which is used inside this project I will declare here. And this is a circuit diagram. Most important part of my project was that circuit diagram. You can see here this is circuit diagram. There is the 6 servo. One is the optional for gripping and grippers. You can see that I was connection that D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. They are the 6 digital pins which was connected to the servo motors to provide them PWMs, pulse width modulations, based on what kind of requirement was there, how we can control our servo. And this is the connection diagram of that. We can using the SC05 Bluetooth module. You can see here I will be provided there. You can see and this was connected to the pin number 19 and pin number 18. The TX pin of the Bluetooth device was connected to RX pin of the Arduino, and the RX pin of the Bluetooth device was connected to the TX pin of the Arduino Mega. And this is the power supply which was completely 6 volt and 20 ampere power supply which is used there. And you can see that I will completely describe my entire thing with this circuit diagram, which is looks very pretty and very nicer for everyone who can understand over there. You can come here. This is the gripper source code. The gripper was like that. There you can see that entire source code was there uploaded to right 20 degree, right 30 degree, and this is the joint code. This is the, you can see that the entire joint code was there. You can see that how the which pin was this is the configuration pins which are used generally inside there. You can see pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5, pin number 6, which are defined for the joints. And you can see the complete overlook of my project. Here you can see that I will write inside the VS code. This is the entire firmware which was compiled and uploaded to the Arduino. After uploading them, you will get a hex file and you can upload inside your Arduino main module and you will get it. Here I will describe the entire pin configuration on my readme.md file. You can come here. You can see that this is the required modules which are used inside this project. Arduino Mega 2560, 35 kg servo. This is the serial number. This is 3 and this is 2, and you can see that all kind of servo which are required. One SC05 module, one power supply, and one power distribution board. You can see here the completely bearings and all kind of things you can see. And this is the connection diagram. J1 base rotation which is connected with the D2 pin, J2 shoulder rotation which is connected to D3 pin, J3 and D4. Completely this is the complete scenario of the how servo was connected. You can see here the how SC05 module was connected with the Arduino Mega. And one more important thing, that you cannot directly connect the servo through the Arduino Mega, because they will induce some time of current, by which your power supply goes fault and they will burn your microcontroller. This is the folder structure of my entire project, how you can go and you can install and each and everything you can do it. This is the Bluetooth control model, how you can control. This is the complete mathematics and kinematics of the entire project you can see here. And in the future we can enhance with the YOLO object detection module. You can go and you can find out the each and everything whatever you want. And this is the development phase which I till now connected. I will do with the phase 6 after the phase 6 I will provide this project. After that we will use AI vision and computer vision to automate these kind of things. This is the circuit diagram which I was earlier mentioned. You can go and you can enjoy the things of my project. This is the my Git repo. You can go and follow it. I will provide the link of this project in my description. You can go and you can download it. You can design it and you can build it in a better way. The format which I was written was the industrial format which are generally used inside the industry, like NASA, ISRO, and any kind of industry which are generally used. The main objective of this project is the building the feature of robotics with Arduino. You can see that Arduino is the one of the fantastic library till now, oh sorry, microcontroller till now. You can automate your daily life things. So this is the project, and most welcome to all of you on my platform, MatTech. The main motive of this platform was that I will provide the entire things from scratch. The next series was coming from the C series of the ISRO level, where I will completely describe each and everything. That's how you can do, how you can write your own firmware for the flight controllers, and each and everything I will describe you later. You can see, and I want that you will be come here, you will like, you can subscribe, and you will, if you enjoy, you can share it these projects. If you want, I will vision format. If you want, I will completely describe to you that, represent to you that this project. Thank you.